Do you all like furniture?
Yeah! Ikea!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I just wanted to ask that, that's all. This song is about furniture and talks a little bit about Vikings, as a matter of fact. So you're in luck. Ooh, look at this shiny part of this guitar. I can actually, holy cow, I can actually illuminate your faces. I feel like a policeman. Kid smoking reefers. This is called Ikea. Long ago, in days of yore, it all began with a guy named Thor. There were Vikings and books and some plans for a furniture store. It's not a bodega, it's not a mall. They sell things for apartments smaller than mine, as if there were apartments smaller than mine. Some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you find one there. Rent a car or take the bus. Lay your cash down and put your trust in the land where the furniture folds to a much smaller size. Hello, and so does the table. His name is Ingo, and the chair is a ladderback perch, but his friends call him Carl. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Just bought a table for $60 and a chair and a lamp and a shelf and some candles for you. I was a doubter just like you until I saw the American dream come true in New Jersey. They got a goddamn Swedish parade. Ikea, just some orchids of pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. I was just telling some people the story of when I played that at the opening of an Ikea in Brooklyn, New York. Went really well. It's my favorite kind of show to do, which is, in a parking lot. On some stage risers at 6:30 in the morning. For a bunch of people who are waiting in line, who have indeed been sleeping in tents in order to be the first people into the new Ikea. And who were pretty on board when I was singing about Ikea, but when I started singing about sad giant squids and murderous robots, they didn't. Really, they looked at me like this. Whole parking lot filled with people doing that. And then also they had a giant screen, and they were. They were projecting me onto the screen, but it was facing me. If you were in the parking lot and you didn't want to look at me, you could turn around and watch me on the screen. And of course, I could see myself on the screen, which is nice because I could watch the exact moment when my soul left my body, and I became an empty husk of a man. No, I don't need your pity. I appreciate it, but I don't need it.